Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to use the Ali Invest platform. So basically you can use Ali to start investing. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. So as you can see, you have checkings and savings, credit cards, investing and retirement, mortgage, auto and personal loans. So as you can see, you can choose how you want to invest with us. So as you can see, self-directed trading. So as you can see, features no commission fees on US listed stocks. Investment treaty, so zero commissions on stocks and ETFs. Here you can trade options if you want, bonds, as you can see, mutual funds. So basically you have to simply go to ali.com and then simply click on get started and create your account. And as you can see, they have an official app. So if you want, you can use their official app, and then you can start simply investing in different as you can see, options. So they have cryptocurrencies as well. So basically you can find anything that you can invest in here on the Ali brokerage website or their official app. So just go and create your account. It's free. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.